Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit mini vlog using Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to open up your Capcut and then you can create new project. And after you have created new project on Capcut, you can add some clips or some videos to your project. And here I have created my project guys. I'm going to create mini vlog using all these videos. Okay, and here I have added tags to my video to be the intro. Okay, you can add your intro like this. I'm going to show you what font I'm using here. Okay, I'm using this font guys. Oops, wait, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go to the font and I'm using this font. Okay, and then for the animation, I'm using the type 1 animation. Okay, and this is how the intro looks like. And then to make my vlog more captivating, I'm going to add music. So I'm going to go to the audio and then select sounds. And I'm going to use music or audio from Capcut. I'm going to go to the vlog category and I'm going to choose one of them. Okay, I'm going to choose the aesthetic speed up version. Okay, like this. And you can adjust the cut with the audio beat. So here I'm going to go to the beat and I'm going to add beat mark. I'm going to use auto generate, so the beat mark will be created automatically like this. And I'm going to choose light. Okay, and okay, I'm going to adjust the transition with the beat mark. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video, right? I'm going to split the video according to this beat mark, like this. Okay. I'm going to cut it here, split. Okay, you can arrange your video, guys. All right, and let me play the video. Okay, you can add transition here, like this. Okay, you can apply one transition to all your clips, but it's up to you actually. You can make it as creative as you can. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit mini vlog using CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!